Okay, this is my first test on using Camtasia. I'm going to explain when I do this test for the final how to clone something in Adobe Photoshop, create a mask, and duplicate it. So the way I'm going to start by doing that is going over here. I have Adobe Photoshop CC loaded up. I'm going to come down, I'm going to select my selection tool. I have my layer selected. This is a Cloud City painting that I did, a watercolor painting from The Empire Strikes Back. So what I'm going to do is select the one cloud car. I want to have two. I'm going to select it. I'm going to do Edit, Copy, create a new layer, and then do Edit, Paste. When it pastes right over the same place as the other one, you can see my layers right here that I've got in layer 1. That's the copy. In layer 2, I'm going to hide layer 1. You won't see any changes until I click and move this to over, and you can now see that I have duplicated that. What I'm going to do is edit that, transform, flip horizontal, because I want it to make like there's two in the sky. Zoom in, create a mask. Make sure black is selected since we have a white field. Click on the brush, right click, adjust the brush size and hardness. Mask this out, just like that. Keep masking. Mask, 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 mask. Alright, now that I've masked that, I'm going to hit Control-Command-T for transform. And then I'm going to scale it down. Oops. Shift to scale it down. Like that. Drop that into the sky in the background. Hit Enter. Zoom back out. Now you can see I have two clouds and they're flying around. So that's how I am going to do this in my Camtasia setup.